Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we are doing a haul, an unboxing if you will. Let go. Alright guys, so I was pressured, that's the proper word. I was pressured to go on a shopping trip for Black Friday, and then I did. We went to Quick Lotz in Dallas. Well, it's in Hurst, Texas, to be clear. It's in Hurst, Texas. I'm gonna put it right here. 1101 Melbourne Rd, Hurst, Texas. I believe it's in the mall. North something mall, not North Park, Northwest maybe. Either way it go, I went there, and it's a Target liquidation type of place. All right, so they have a bunch of things that you didn't know that you needed on sale. I'm talking like 50% off. We went and it was Black Friday, and at some points of the shopping they would be like, if you're in line right now, it's an additional 30% off your purchase. So this store is open on a regular basis. It wasn't just a Black Friday thing, but that's the day that we went. So in there you have like different sections of the store where it's like a $5 section. Everything in the bin is $14.99 or $14, and it's like $2, and then it's toys, and then it's electronics, and then it's furniture and luxury and luggage and clothing and cleaning supplies and all that jazz. Okay, so you really can't go wrong if you're being fucking honest here. I spent $192.14. Okay, so let's get into this haul. Okay, let's do it. I'm trying to think of what I should start with first. We'll start with the small things first and then move up to the big stuff. Yeah, that's a good idea. Here we go. Okay, so let's start with the small things first, and then we'll move up to the big stuff. Okay, so the smallest thing I have is a pack of pens. You cannot go wrong with a pack of pens. Okay, it was a 3-pack Pilot joints. They were 50 cents. Moving on, I got vitamin C packs. So you can tell that they're all like Target branded things because it has the up and up. That's Target brand. Let's see, because you can't see none of that. Bam, there you go. The vitamin C, you see the up and up, lets you know that it's a Target brand. Yeah, but vitamin C packs, you know, like the emergency, but like the Target brand. This was, I want to say $5. It might have been $4, one of the two, but yeah. Moving right along, I got the quart size freezer bags. You can see that. We're gonna do up and down this thing. Freezer bags, these were $5, and again, it's the Up and Up brand, which we all know is the Target brand. 40-pack, $5. Next, we have the Tall Kitchen trash bags, and it is 22 in there. The odor control kind, again, it's the Up and Up brand, and yeah. Bam. I don't know why the white is like fading out weird. But anyway, next I have a 100-pack of baby wipes, fragrance free. Again, the Up and Up brand. This joint ain't picking up nothing today. The Up and Up brand. There we go. Fragrance free, 100-pack, $5. Again, I think everything left that I'm about to show y'all was $5, okay? So let's just $5 it. So that was $5. The freezer bags and the trash cans was $5 each. Now, I don't know how much they're going to be the day that you go, because again, each day sometimes is a different price. So the next thing I got was the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and this is the 16-ounce bottle, and again, $5. $5 for this. Alright, moving right along. We got the Nivea value size. This is the 33.8 fluid ounce bottle. And this was $5 as well. Yes, the big baby. $5. Alright, moving right along. I got the Tree Hut Candy Cane Shea Sugar Scrub. I've been wanting to try this brand. And again, $5. Can't beat that at all. Next, I got the Daily Shower Cleaner, the Up and Up brand, the economy size. So again, it's the big one for $5. They might even been cheaper than that. What they do is like so they have like a checkout system where you bring your cart to a person. Then they go through your cart and write down what you have. You take the paper to the checkout, like the register cashier checkout person, and then they charge you off that paper. So they just write things like, hold on, let me fold my card information off. Okay, so if you can see on the receipt, it just tells you like, you see right here, it says $5 bin, $5 bin, 6 items, 50 cents bin item. So you just you can't tell exactly what everything is per your receipt, but it is what it is. So next I got the Myers Clean Day dish soap for a whopping $2. So this is the mum scent. I don't know. I actually don't use this. I wanted to try it and I was like, it's only $2. Might as well try it, right? So this is the one for that. This is what this look like. Alright, and then I got the Myers Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. And then again for $2. This is the apple cider scent. That's what this looks like. Alright, and then last thing for the small things, I got the Dr. Bronner's 18-1 Hemp Lavender Soap. And this is what that looks like. I guess I could have just did B-roll for each item since it was going to be coming off like that, right? So that's all it is for the small things. Let's move on to the big stuff. Okay, so next I got a blanket. This was $14.99. Nice green, cute plush. This was $14. Yeah, $14. It's like a little $14 bin. Alright, so this is what that looks like. Super cute plush little joint. Right? Super cute. This was $14. Okay? It's a big heavy blanket. Okay? Can't go wrong with that. $14? $14? These is usually like $18, $20, $25, depending on where you go. If you go to if you go to Target, those blankets cost a little bit more. The next thing I got is a jacket. One of these cute little fur jackets. Let's see, can you see? Alright, just like that. This was $20. Okay? And I did get a little upsize because I feel like once I wash it, because the way I don't want to say that the store is not dirty, but you know how liquidator stores look. You kind of got to wash your stuff before you start wearing it. But honey, it is so cute. Right? This is a cute one. A keeper. Look at that. Super cute. $20. We all know these jackets cost more at the store. So next, I got an ottoman, like a footstool ottoman situation. So it initially was $90, right? We know it costs more at the store. So it was $90, but this red tag indicates that it was 50% off. So it was no longer $90. This was only $45. As you can see, it is super cute. Look at that. I got like the cream and the blue stripe. Super cute. $45, okay? $45. Okay, last but certainly not least. Certainly, this is literally the only thing I had in my head to buy when I went to the store with her. I said, all right, I'll go. Hopefully they got a new suitcase because they broke mine my last trip. I need a new suitcase. This is the only thing I was supposed to get. And $192 later, I did leave with a suitcase. Now, this suitcase was Black Friday sale, $49. Let me just, it has the TSA lock on it. Let me pick this up for y'all, okay? Oh, little mama out here, okay? Look at this. It has the TSA lock on it right there. We got money out here. You see how sturdy little mama is? This is $49. We all know these suitcases cost more than $49. So it was a steal. I had to get it. I had to get it. If they would have had, they did have a size up from this one, and that one was $69, but still, that was a must buy. All right, guys, it's been real. It's your girl P, and this has been another haul, okay? Like, I'm in the saving season, so I wasn't supposed to buy any of this stuff, but I kind of needed all of this. I kind of needed all of this. I didn't get nothing too outrageous that's just like, girl, you know you ain't need that. I did very good. I only spent $192. I need a new suitcase. I didn't need the ottoman, but it goes perfect with my new furniture and couch and all that stuff. Like the rug, it goes. Chef's kisses, okay? It's been real. Again, I went to Quick Lotz at 1101 Melbourne Rd in Hurst, Texas. It's like 35 minutes away from me, past DFW airport. Like, it's out there. It's out there. That was my first time going all the way out there. But they are open, I believe, every day. So, and each day they have different sales. So, don't ever say I never put you on or nothing, because I put you on. I put you on, okay? I don't know if this should be a exploring Dallas or just a haul. I mean, technically, I went all the way to Hurst, so I'm exploring Dallas. We'll see. You'll see. You'll know, because you clicked on it. You already know what the title is. This is a discussion I had with myself. Anyway, it's been real. It's your girl, Fee. And so let me know if y'all know any more stories like this. Put your girl on. Put me on to another story like this. Peace.